want vegetable recipe that no need to stir fry? Welcome back. Nice to see you, and it is my pleasure to have you here. Today's recipe is to make easy spicy cabbage enoki mushrooms recipe. Hope you like it. Eating cabbage is indeed good for the stomach because cabbage contains a substance called vitamin U, which is an anti-gastric ulcer factor that can quickly repair wounds. Therefore, it has a good repair effect on gastric acid and gastric ulcers, and also has a good effect on nourishing and protecting the stomach. Welcome to subscribe my channel and save this recipe so you may refer back when you need this recipe. Ingredients: cabbage, enoki mushrooms. Cut cabbage into section, wash and set aside. Tear cabbage into smaller chunks. Wash enoki and set aside. Place cabbage into bigger bowl. Cut enoki into half. Drizzle cooking oil. One tablespoon soy sauce. One tablespoon spicy powder. Mix together. Cover baking pan with aluminum foil. Place cabbage into baking pan. Roast and steam function for 15 minutes at 180 degrees. Stir well during half of roasting process. Cabbage is cooked. Cabbage tastes sweet and juicy with roast and steam mode. Delicious. Who should not eat cabbage? Cabbage is especially suitable for patients with arteriosclerosis, cholelithiasis, obesity, pregnant women, and those with gastrointestinal ulcers. However, patients with itchy skin diseases and eye congestion should not eat it. Cabbage contains a lot of crude fiber and is hard in texture, so it is not suitable for people with spleen and stomach deficiency, diarrhea, and weak spleen in children. In addition, it should not be eaten after abdominal and thoracic surgery, when gastrointestinal ulcers and bleeding are particularly severe, diarrhea and liver disease. Cabbage contains a lot of crude fiber, which is not easy to digest and absorb. For people with weak spleen and stomach and poor digestive function, long-term consumption may cause gastrointestinal discomfort symptoms such as abdominal distension and abdominal pain. Plus, C. Cabbage plus cucumber. Eating cabbage and cucumber together will affect the absorption of vitamin C, thereby reducing the nutritional value. Plus, cabbage plus liver. Eating cabbage and liver together will lose the nutrients in it and reduce the nutritional value. Plus, cabbage plus mangosteen. Eating cabbage and mangosteen together can easily cause indigestion and cause physical discomfort. Plus, cabbage plus rabbit meat. Eating cabbage and rabbit meat together is not good for the stomach and intestines, and it is easy to cause diarrhea and vomiting. Plus, cabbage plus fungus. Eating cabbage and fungus together can nourish the brain, strengthen the body, and improve immunity. Plus, cabbage plus carrot. Eating cabbage and carrot together can prevent cancer. Plus, cabbage plus tomatoes. Eating cabbage and tomatoes together can prevent cancer cells and enhance blood circulation. Plus, cabbage plus peppers. Eating cabbage and peppers together can stimulate appetite and promote digestion and absorption. Plus, cabbage plus winter melon. Eating them together can moisten the intestines and promote bowel movements, which is beneficial to the body's digestion and absorption, and has a certain effect on reducing constipation. Friends who like cooking may consider following my YouTube channel for more delicious recipes. If you can please give me a like, which is the greatest encouragement to me. Thank you all. There are 3,000 of delicious recipes on my YouTube. Check it out for more delicious recipes, yeah. I will upload bilingual video recipes every day. Chinese video will be uploaded at noon while English version at 8:30 p.m. Welcome to follow and save recipes you like. Remember to follow my channel so you will be able to find me when you need cooking inspiration. There are more delicious easy recipes in my channel, do check them all. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video, yeah.